everyone, welcome back to Soulmate Adventures. Today we're at the Ritz-Carlton Millenia Singapore. It's day 2 in Singapore and we've just finished a stay at the iconic Marina Bay Sands, and now we're looking forward to spending the night here at the Ritz-Carlton. It's our first time ever staying at a Ritz-Carlton hotel, so we're excited to see how it measures up to other luxury hotels we've stayed at. We're in room 720, which is a Deluxe Marina Room. Wow, the views from here are absolutely incredible. We booked our stay here through Amex's Fine Hotels and Resorts program, which comes with a bunch of awesome benefits, such as complimentary room upgrades. We had originally booked a lower tier room, but were upgraded to this awesome room. If you want to learn more about how we booked this hotel and how we saved $400 off our stay, check out our blog post linked in the description box below. The hotel surprised us with these lovely treats since we're here to celebrate our anniversary and my belated birthday. They even gave us matches and a candle. So thoughtful. The treats were absolutely delicious. We've got a nice big king-size bed with reading lamps on either side. On top of the bedside table is a phone and alarm clock with wireless charging pad. Hidden inside the drawers are a universal outlet and the light switches and controls for the blinds. There's a nice walk-in closet with room to store your luggage, lots of hangers for your clothes, an umbrella, robe, some extra bedding. Inside the drawers are a Bible and Book of Mormon, sewing kit, there's a weigh scale. We've got a flashlight, and inside the cabinet is the safe and an iron. Below the TV is the minibar. The snacks look good, but they are very pricey. Looking at the price list, it's $15 for a chocolate bar. Yikes. Thankfully, the bottled water is complimentary, and we're grateful they've provided a lot of it since we definitely need it with this hot and humid Singapore weather. There's also an espresso machine, and of course, coffee is complimentary. They've also provided packets of instant coffee and an assortment of teas. I appreciate that they gave us real cream instead of just the powdered stuff. In the drawers below, we've got an ice bucket and a kettle. The mini fridge has a small selection of sodas and beers, but again, they are very pricey. The other set of drawers here has some scissors, a bottle opener, glassware. Over here by the window, we have a nice large desk. They've provided some complimentary hand sanitizer, which will come in handy, and some pamphlets about the spa and the awesome but very expensive club lounge. Hidden behind the compartments on the desk are some more universal outlets and USB charging ports. Okay. Time to go check out the bathroom. It's very spacious, and check out this tub. It might just be the highlight of the room. I love the octagonal window with stunning views over Marina Bay Sands and the Art Science Museum. On the bath tray, they've provided soap and a loofah. And over here we have some bath salts, which is a nice touch, although I wish they would have provided some bubble bath as well. There's a switch here to control the privacy blinds, but it's a shame to cover those magnificent views. They've provided a good selection of complimentary amenities. Just make sure not to take the lotion as it is clearly labeled for purchase. We have a hairdryer here. In the toilet room here, it's a little cramped, and I was a little disappointed that there's no bidet. The shower also looks a little dated, but I can forgive that since the bath more than makes up for it. The room is quite spacious. I love how open and airy it feels with the huge windows and mirrors on the wall. It feels very minimalistic but luxurious with the neutral tones. Okay, now that we've toured our room, it's time to go check out the pool. We're going to take the elevator down to the ground floor. We were a little confused at first which way to go, but eventually figured it out. A friendly pool attendant quickly came over to greet us and show us the way. He provided us with some pool towels and showed us to some empty loungers. Once seated, it took a while for someone to come check on us and take our order, but we ordered some drinks and food. The pool is quite large and popular with families. When we were done with the pool, we headed over to have a quick peek at the gym. It was quite large and fancy for a hotel gym. Heading back inside, we came across this beautiful staircase and grand piano. Ryan couldn't resist hopping on the piano to play a quick song. Okay, it's time to head back upstairs and get ready to explore the city some more. Well, it's 9:30 p.m. and we're just arriving back at the hotel after walking back from the Spectra light show over at Marina Bay. I've got to say, the doormen at this hotel are so kind and provided the best service out of anyone we met at the hotel. Overall, we found the service here to be surprisingly underwhelming. It just hasn't felt that warm or personal, unfortunately, with the exception of the doormen. We've just returned to our room and see that it has been turned down for the evening. I always love turn down service and the little chocolates they usually leave by the bed. Wow, this view is even more impressive at night and will be lovely to fall asleep to. Good morning, everyone. It's 6:30 a.m. and we've got a flight to catch. But we're going to try to squeeze in a speedy buffet breakfast because there's no way we could miss it. The buffet breakfast here at Colony is highly regarded and isn't usually included with your stay. However, since we booked via Fine Hotels and Resorts, we have it included with our stay, so we've got to take advantage of it as much as possible. It turns out they weren't quite ready for us at opening time, so we're checking out the lobby a bit more and taking some photos since it's just so beautiful. I wish the lighting was on, but I guess it's just too early in the morning. This is the Colony Bakery, which has to-go items, but unfortunately, it's not yet open either. Finally, the staff are ready for us and we're being seated at our table. We are so impressed with how large and beautiful this restaurant is. Whenever I go to a buffet, I walk around and check out all the stations first so that I can strategically plan out what I'm going to fill my plate with. First off, here we have the deli section. Wow, I am so blown away by just how extensive this buffet is. It feels like the stations are endless. Every time I turn a corner, there's more food. Next, it looks like we have some fresh fruits and juices here. Oh, and here we have a Singapore Heritage Corner. Definitely going to check this out after. Oh my gosh, they have my favorite kaya toast. Yay! Okay, now it looks like we have some Middle Eastern options here. Followed by some Indian food. Here we have some Malaysian options, I believe. Oh, and there's a noodle bar. Oh, and look what we have here, some dim sum. Perfect. We're not done yet. I've just come across the pastry station now. Not sure I'm going to have enough room for all this, but it all looks so delicious. Oh, we also have some yogurt, a pancake station, and some more dessert items over here. Wow, you guys, this buffet is absolutely incredible. I so wish we had more time to eat here. Anyway, we've got to run to the airport shortly, so we've got to go eat. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please like and subscribe for more travel videos coming soon, and don't forget to check us out on Instagram at Soulmate Adventures. Thanks, and we'll see you in the next video.